I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth LED lights. First, ensure your LED light strips are properly powered on and within a range of about 30 feet from your control device. Next, download the manufacturer's dedicated application from your smartphone or tablet's app store. Finally, before attempting to connect, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Once the app is installed, open it and look for an option to add a new device, often represented by a plus sign or a similar icon. The application will then begin scanning for available Bluetooth LED lights in your immediate vicinity. When your specific LED light strip appears in the list of discovered devices, simply tap on it to initiate the pairing process. This usually takes just a few seconds to complete. With your lights successfully paired, you can now dive into the app's features to customize your lighting experience. Adjust the brightness from 0 to 100%, select from millions of colors, and choose various dynamic lighting modes like fade or strobe. You can also set schedules for automatic on and off times, or even synchronize your lights with music for an immersive effect. The possibilities are extensive. If you encounter any issues, a common fix is to restart both your LED lights and your control device, then try pairing again. Ensure there are no major physical obstructions, such as thick walls, between your device and the lights, as Bluetooth has a typical range of up to 30 feet. Regularly update your app and light firmware to access new features and maintain optimal performance. A little troubleshooting goes a long way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.